Okay, first thing we've got to do is crack the eggs and salt the eggs. I wish these were Tasmanian eggs, but unfortunately not, Singaporean. So the trick is to put some salt into your eggs to start with, and then let it absorb within the eggs over 10 minutes. So you just put a little bit of salt in there, good amount. Tasmanian sea salt, pepperberry, and then whisk them up with a fork and add a bit of milk. There you go. A little bit of milk there. Can add cream, of course. Now we let that sit for 10 minutes. The idea is that the salt retains the moisture in the eggs, so when they cook, they're nice and moist, and there's not any liquid leaking out from the scrambling. Okay, so we've got our pepperberry cheese in here. So this is the bush pepper cheese, which we've grated up and put into our egg mixture here. Right, so now we have to brown some butter and cook our eggs. I like to use a little bit of butter. You just want to get it to that nice caramelized flavour. You can smell it when it's ready. Yeah, so it'll go sort of a golden yellow, and then you can just see the browning starting to happen here. This gives it a really sort of a nutty, sweet flavour and thing. See, there's browning a little bit more. You can sort of put it into the middle under the heat. Yep, and you just got to get in there just before it burns. There we go, and here's our egg mixture. So what I do with eggs is I like to cook them with chopsticks. So I use some wooden chopsticks to the pan and just cook that like this. Hello, darling. Oh, thank you. So you can see the pepperberries in there, a little bit of the salt as well. This is on a medium heat. Sometimes I'll put it on a really high heat to start with. But I think for this it'll be fine. I don't like folding the eggs with this because it sort of ends up becoming an omelette. This is much more scrambled. And it's pretty much done. Turn the heat off. I've got my 2 plates and some toast. So we'll put some butter on the toast. There we go. Of course, you don't have to have toast if you don't want, if you're on a low-carb diet. Right, scrambled eggs. And the idea is that we're going to put the smoked salmon, you can see the melted cheese there, yum. Put the smoked salmon over the top, and that's going to, smoked trout I should say, over the top, and that's going to warm up just before we serve it. And our Woodbridge ocean trout. So here we go. Nothing better. Yummo. So this should be sliced to perfection, no doubt. There we go. Oh, look at that. Yummo. I do enjoy rolling these up as well. So we'll just layer it over there like that. Woodbridge ocean trout. Yum. We've got our pepperberry and scrambled eggs and smoked trout, Tasmanian smoked trout with native berries. Yum.